Sana yung last night ko, sana gusto ko kita kausapan sa mga nangyari. Pero bago kausapin ka, tinanong ko si Ate Maymay kung ano ba talagang tama, kausapin ka ba o haya na lang, ikaw na lang ang lumapit ka sa akin. Yun, lumapit ka sa akin ngayon. And as a friend, as a teenager, as a man, as a boy, I want to take care about you. Now that I know your feelings, hindi ko pababayaan ng ganun lang. Because you're still a girl. You're still a friend for me. You're still someone for me. Hindi lang kang tao na dumadaan lang ng ganyan and then, goodbye. Maybe you're someone that parang hindi mo makakalimutan ng ganun-ganon. Talaga. And I want to know you more. And siguro yun ang pinakamalaki ng pagkamali ko. Hindi kita nakilala sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ikaw, nakilala mo ako. Ako hindi ko pinermit sa'yo na ikilalahanin mo ako. Hindi, kilalahanin ka. Yan. Hindi ko nagamit yung time. Ang inisip ko lang, my actual feelings for Vibery, my bro Edward. But you, when you were always there beside me, oh, it's kisses, okay, fine. And that's my big mistake. You were always there for me. And yeah, I was there for you when nasasaktan ka. But I was not there with the heart. And that's my big mistake. And I want to repay every mistake for every day that I've done. I want to do something that you're not gonna forget easy, in an easy way. I'm so sorry for everything that I've done. If I've hurted you, really, I'm so sorry. And sana patawarin mo na lang ako sa mga ginawa ko.